I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, for something different on my videos, I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look. I've had lots and lots of questions about skincare, makeup, just everyday makeup routines, so I thought I would just chuck it quickly into a get ready with me. So I'm going to run you through how I put this makeup look together, telling you how I put it on and all the products that I use. Everything I use will be listed down below. And I'm going to say 99% of the products used are all drugstore products, so super cheap, super affordable, very accessible. It means you can get them wherever you are around the world. So I got everything from Chemist Warehouse and I will leave everything linked below. So let's get straight into this video, sharing with you how I did this really quick, really easy, everyday kind of makeup look. And if you enjoyed it and you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching.
I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make it glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. Sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. You're undeniable. guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble.
Alright, that is it. It turned out okay. I never really tell looking in the camera how it looks. Sometimes it looks like you've got way more makeup on. Sometimes it looks like you haven't got anything on at all. But you know what, we're only going to Ikea, we're only going to Kmart, so usually I don't even wear any makeup. I literally ran into someone who watches my videos at Kmart the other day. She was like, I feel like I'm seeing a celebrity. And I was like, huh? What? And I was like, oh, you watch my YouTube channel, oh my gosh. And I was like, hi. I didn't get her name, but she had a cute baby and she was shopping for some winter clothes, which is a great idea to get in there and get them before they sell out. So that is it for this look today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. I try to use as many drugstore products or things that you can buy from the chemist just to keep it really affordable. If you do have any other videos that you want me to make, just leave them in the comment section below. I definitely always read through them, and I've got a book where I just jot down everyone's suggestions or everyone's requests, and then I just incorporate those into some of the videos that I'm going to be making anyway. So anyway, this is done. Now let's get on with the rest of the video and let's head off to Ikea and Kmart. Alright, so this is the stuff that I picked up from Kmart. I'm going to put this into a whole new video of its own. I just picked up some stuff for the bathroom organization. This is for the shower. Some kitchen organization, some bowls for Freddie, because the bowls that we got him, he has to practically stick his whole head in to get to his food, which they're just too big, they're the wrong size. So we got him some smaller bowls. I am going to make up a vision board, so I'm going to do a whole video on that. I just feel like I've been missing having a vision board and doing some kind of really creative stuff that's just personal. That's not like making videos and things, just actually making something creative for myself. So that was lacking, so I definitely want to do that sometime this week. We grabbed some of these nice glasses from Kmart. They are so cheap and they're super cute, and they feel really sturdy, so I think they'll go through the dishwasher really easily. At the moment we've just got some kind of wine glasses which are a bit tricky for my younger son to use because they're quite wide and he's knocked them over a couple of times. So these are going to be just like everyday drinking glasses. And then I grabbed these, which are some more compact size jars for putting in my smoothie prep ingredients. So I've shared that in a couple of other videos before. I like to prep out all of my smoothie ingredients, but the jars that I had, the containers that I had, were really big and bulky, and they just take up so much space that I just don't have. So I just grabbed these really super slimline ones that will fit in probably the space that two of the other ones fit in. So I'm going to pop that into its own home organization update video, because I also grabbed some other things for the garage storage organization. And then, from Ikea, we grabbed another section for the sofa just to make it a little bit bigger so we have room for all of us to sit on now. But anyway, that is going to be, I don't know, I'll show that in another home update video coming soon. Whenever I organize my makeup and cosmetics, I usually just switch up between a couple of favorites. So I've got some from Kmart, I've got some, these were from Big W, these are the InDesign old style. I've had these for, I don't know, maybe 6-7 years. This is the old style. Hello Freddy Bear, can you get your snout out? These are the old style you can buy these from Howard Storage World, the Container Store, but Kmart, Big W all have similar styles. You can also get them from like the Reject Shop, or usually Target and like dollar store type places have something similar. This is from Ikea. Now I think this is discontinued, which is a shame because these are awesome organizers. I've had these for probably like 10 years, I'm gonna say. They are I think they were the Antonius. Yeah, I don't know. I think these are discontinued in Australia, but I think you can still get them overseas. So these are awesome for makeup storage because they hold the wider size of like compacts and things, and you can fit palettes in these, whereas these ones don't fit like your compacts stacked up this way. You have to put them in sideways. So I'm going to just have a play around and see what I can come up with, because I'm trying to get rid of these two little shelving units in the bedroom. And I'm just going to pop those into the garage. I like them, but I just don't like them there because they are the wrong height. They block the window. So I just want to pull those out and get rid of them. I did have two Kallax units that were really nice up here, but I've used those in different sections of the house for now. And I'm not going to go buy more just to have them here while the other ones are in other areas. So I just want to declutter, condense it all down into this drawer, which is actually empty, and then get rid of those shelving units. So that is what we're going to do today.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
So we're just putting together a bit of a daily collection. It's similar to what I had in here, but I just want to give this a really good clean out, and I'm going to put my skincare in here. But that about wraps up what we're doing here in the Vanity makeover. So again, it's just switching things around, keeping it interesting. I get so bored if it's just same every single day. It just really encourages me to use up what I've got. And sometimes you know, if it's all buried in a big box, you forget what you've got, so you don't go for it. And I'm sick of just using the same thing every single day. It's good for time saving, but I just want to switch out and use up some other things.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now, hey.
You okay, little one? You came up the stairs by yourself. You did come up the stairs all by yourself. That is a bit dangerous. You're supposed to be sleeping downstairs and waiting for Mummy to come down. Come down and get you. Mummy, I don't like being away from you. Alright, let's go downstairs. Let's get you something to eat. Come on. Come on, little, downstairs. I love you so much. You're the cutest little thing in the whole wide world. Oh! And that's Mum's job this afternoon. Putting all this stuff away. Find a new home for it. And cleaning all your little marks off the mirror. Can we see where all your little snap marks are? I don't know if we can see them, but Mummy sure can. You have got a whole thing of snout marks. Oh, there's some. There's some. Some Freddy Bear when you're growling at the puppy in the mirror. You do like to growl at the puppy in the mirror, don't you? And the other mummy. The other mummy and the other puppy in the mirror. I don't like them. I don't like that other puppy. It does try to steal my mummy. It does try to steal my treats. And it does try to steal my toys. Oh, you're giving Mummy some kisses. Alright, come on you. You're getting too big to carry like this. Let's go downstairs.